Everybody knows it. Yep, that's my chick. Might take it to the club with me, just to make her ex-man sick. Oh, oh, she complained that she lonely, so I took her back home with me. She gon' tell you I'm the homie, but you know that I know what broke means. She gon' ride for a real one all night, all night. Oh, what a night. Got my girl with me, got my girl with me tonight. And tonight we gon' party like it's oh, what a night. Late December back in 63. What a very special time. Don't lie, the world you're living in. Take a look around, at least you got friends. I call my old lady for a friendly word. She picked up the phone, dropped it on the floor. It's all I heard. I'm not gonna let the elevator break us down. Oh no, let's go crazy. Let's get nuts. Look for the purple banana till they put us in the truck. Let's go. I'm excited, don't know why. Maybe it's 'cause we're all gonna die. When we do, what's it all for? Better live now, before the people come knocking on your door. Tell me, gonna let the elevator break us down. Oh no, let's go crazy. Let's get nuts. Look for the purple banana till they put us in the truck. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's get nuts. Yeah. Let's go crazy. Are we gonna let the elevator break us down? Oh no, let's go.
That's all, folks.
And the number WB.